Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Exciting news for all tech enthusiasts and audio lovers. Sony is about to release the much-anticipated Sony WH-1000XM6, and it promises to take the flagship headphones game to new heights. With impressive upgrades and cutting-edge features, these headphones are shaping up to be a must-have for anyone who loves high-quality sound and ultimate convenience. Let's dive into the exciting details of the WH-1000XM6 and what makes them stand out. The WH-1000XM6 is set to debut on May 15th, following closely after the Xperia 7 smartphone release on May 13th. This rollout is one to look forward to, especially if you're a fan of Sony's cutting-edge technology. While Sony has kept things under wraps with a cryptic teaser featuring the For the Music tag and a mysterious silhouette, the rumors online have already spilled the beans. These are definitely the WH-1000XM6 headphones. Significant upgrades for The WH-1000XM6. One of the key upgrades with the WH-1000XM6 is the inclusion of the new QM3 processor, which is said to be 7 times faster than the one found in the previous WH-1000XM5. What does this mean for users? Well, with the QM3, you're looking at much better noise cancellation and improved audio processing, which means clearer sound whether you're in a noisy cafe or on a crowded subway. If you value quietness while traveling or working in bustling environments, this new tech will make a big difference. Speaking of noise cancellation, Sony has upped the ante by adding 12 microphones to the WH-1000XM6, compared to the XM5's 8. This new multi-end noise sensing technology ensures that the headphones adjust to your surroundings in real time, providing the most effective noise-canceling experience no matter where you are. Whether you're on a noisy plane, walking through a busy city street, or even caught next to a lawnmower, the headphones will adapt automatically to block out unwanted sound. This dynamic adjustment is what makes the WH-1000XM6 a true upgrade in real-world usability. Design improvements and durability. Fans of foldable designs will be pleased to know that Sony has listened to feedback and returned to a foldable style for the WH-1000XM6. Not only does this make storage more convenient, but the hinges are reinforced for added durability, meaning these headphones are built to last. This foldable design, combined with the sturdy hinge, makes the WH-1000XM6 perfect for travel or daily commutes. The headband and ear cushions also receive significant upgrades. Sony has worked on making these components more comfortable for those long listening sessions, which are common during work calls or extended listening marathons. The improved comfort should make it easier to use the WH-1000XM6 for hours without any discomfort. Enhanced voice calls with AI-owned standout feature of the WH-1000XM6 is the AI-powered 6-microphone beamforming system. This system is designed to pick up your voice during calls and block out surrounding noise, even in chaotic environments. So whether you're on a call during a busy commute or in a noisy cafe, your voice will be clear and crisp, while background noise is minimized. Exceptional sound quality. As for the sound, the WH-1000XM6 doesn't compromise. With 30mm drivers and support for high-resolution audio, these headphones deliver crisp, clear sound with deep bass. The LDAC codec ensures that even the most demanding tracks are streamed with high fidelity. Plus, with DSEE Extreme upscaling, you can enjoy higher quality audio from your existing content, even if it's compressed. Customizing the sound experience is also a breeze with the 10-band equalizer, allowing you to fine-tune the audio to suit your personal preferences. One of the most exciting features is the inclusion of 360 reality audio with head tracking, providing an immersive, concert-like experience. This will appeal to music lovers who crave a deeper, more dynamic listening experience that feels as though the sound is coming from all around you. Battery life and charging. The WH-1000XM6 also promises an impressive 30 hours of battery life. If you're in a hurry and need a quick boost, a mere 3-minute charge can provide you with 3 hours of playback, perfect for when you're on the go and don't have time for a full charge. Additionally, Sony continues to support the latest Bluetooth technology with Bluetooth 5.3 multi-point support, allowing you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously. For those who prefer wired connections, the WH-1000XM6 still includes the classic 3.5mm headphone jack advanced features. For everyday use beyond the basics, The WH-1000XM6 includes several advanced features that make these headphones an all-around winner. Adaptive sound control adjusts the noise cancellation based on your activities, while Speak to Chat automatically pauses the music when you start talking. The quick attention mode lets you hear your surroundings when needed, and wind noise reduction ensures clear audio during outdoor activities. A new addition, background music mode, is also rumored to provide a more immersive listening experience by adjusting the sound based on the environment around you. Design and pricing. In terms of design, the WH-1000XM6 comes with a redesigned carrying case that features a magnetic closure. No more fiddling with zippers. This case is easy to open and close, making it even more convenient for users who travel often. The headphones will be available in black, midnight blue, and platinum silver, offering some stylish options to match your personal taste. As for pricing, the WH-1000XM6 is expected to retail for around $449 in the US, $399 in the UK, and between $449 and $469 in Europe. This is a competitive price point for the flagship-level features it offers, and it's positioned as a premium product for audiophiles and commuters alike. Final thoughts: the Sony WH-1000XM6 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the high-end headphone market. With a blend of cutting-edge technology, outstanding sound quality, and user-friendly features, it's clear that Sony is once again setting the bar for premium wireless headphones. Whether you're an audio enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or just someone who appreciates great sound, the WH-1000XM6 should be on your radar. Stay tuned as we await the official release, and let me know in the comments if you're excited about these upcoming headphones. Peace out, and thanks for watching.